Hello, I'm Adam Barralet and welcome to this Crystal Connections video. We're exploring the crystal of Nunderite. Now this is a rare stone that there's kind of a bit of disagreement on exactly where it's found. It is definitely found in Australia, in the state of New South Wales. Some people say it's in a place called Nundell, others say in a place called Nundoorite Station. But what I can tell you is that this rare crystal is a combination of these beautiful, nice brown colour and then these little green specks. And there's even some disagreement about what those two different crystals are forming this stone. But what I know about this is I find it very peaceful, and with that brown and green colour, we know it's going to be grounding, and it's going to work really nicely with the heart chakra as well. What I've found, maybe I'm slightly biased because I live in Australia, but there is some potent energy in Australia. You may know some other Australian crystals, gaspiite or mookaite are other great ones as well. We also have these really powerful eucalyptus essential oils. So I feel that the stones and the crystals and the essential oils that are found in Australia haven't been given enough attention yet, but I feel that they're all awakening now. Not only to help those that live in Australia, but those all around the world. So in this video, we're going to explore this beautiful Nunderite a little bit more and how, wherever you are in the world, this may be able to help to bless you in one way or another. As I've noticed with many stones and crystals found here in Australia, they all really help with a nice earth connection. So they're really beautiful to come out, sit out in nature, in the peacefulness, and just kind of feel that wisdom kind of get whispered in your ears. You'll find insights and different things really kind of just popping into your mind when you give yourself just that moment to sit amongst the silence, or I guess the symphony of birds and crickets and different things that are around you in the wildlife. Now you can do this wherever you are in the world. Now Nunderite really helps you to get a strong connection to the earth and to really understand that us as humans are the caretakers of this planet. It really allows you not only to appreciate nature when you're out in it, but also to consider nature in the other decisions that you make, whether it be how you recycle or what you purchase or what car you choose or all those different types of things as well. It really reignites that caretaker and pride in Earth and seeing what humanity is doing really well. Yes, there are some damaging things that we are doing, but yes, we're doing some things as well. And to be that light sharer, to bring in that ray of, hope and faith that we are going to get this, get Earth back to her former glory, Nunderite really helps us to do this and to have that faith and that strength and to focus on that as well. Nunderite can not only help us to connect with the land upon where you live, so wherever you are in the world, you don't need to go to somewhere special, just your own bit of land, your own country, your own area, but also to really connect with the indigenous, knowledge and wisdom of that land as well. If we look back in the past, people had a lot closer relationship to nature. They had to. They relied on agriculture for their pure source of food, and the local foods and knowing the local plants, and their only form of medicine was plant medicine as well. So Nunderite can really help you to access this wisdom, to connect and to respect this wisdom, and to find how that's relevant to you in your life as well. So whether you want to connect with the land itself or the people that have known that land for a long, long time, Nunderite can really help to facilitate that. Not only does Nunderite allow you to connect with the land, but it also allows you to draw strength from the land as well. It's a really great one to actually earth with or ground with by putting your bare feet on the ground and just allowing yourself to feel that strength and stability. We live in a world that is always demanding our attention and our action immediately and right away, and that can be quite draining. And Nunderite actually works with you to help you kind of anchor in. It can also help us in emotional issues as well. If you are feeling heartbroken, if there's some emotional trauma there, and you keep on getting pulled into that, Nunderite will help to strengthen you, to help you anchor in and really find ways to not get swept up in the chaos and the storm. When you are being faced with adversity, when someone again is pushing against you or resisting something that you are trying to get achieved in life, Nunderite can be a really great one as well. Just like the great trees that we see here, when there is a big storm, they don't get blown over, they bend, they're flexible, and they allow themselves to move with the adversity, move with the winds, move with the storm, but become stronger and stronger as time goes on as well. If you're a healer of any type, this can be a really great one to have in your pocket or to wear, especially down low, because it's allowing you to draw energy off the earth, from the earth, and give that in your healing, rather than just directly giving your own energetic healing as well. If you're working with anything to do with, natural medicines, plant medicines, and so on, Nunderite is a really great one for, again, helping you to connect with the earth, connect with the land, connect with the plants, and gain that wisdom so that you can bring healing to both yourself and other people. So when you need a bit more empowerment and get that empowerment from our mother Gaia, Pachamama, the earth herself, Nunderite really helps you to access that. Because it is such a grounding, stabilizing stone, Nunderite is really good for helping you get projects and dreams off the ground. Often we have these ideas of, oh, I want to do this or I'm going to do that one day, but it never actually launches off. That's where you want to work with Nunderite. Sit with it, hold it in the hand that you write with, and visualize yourself actually taking action or seeing that starting to, a goal or a dream starting to come into fruition. Send that energy into that crystal and then get out there and do it. And Nunderite will work as your friend, supporting you along the way to make sure that you do have, have that motivation to get started and that discipline to keep on going on as well. Nunderite is really good in these planning stages because it makes sure that we have a strong and steady foundation. Sometimes we go out and start something on a whim and it doesn't work out because we haven't well planned. Nunderite guards against that. Nunderite is also really great to sit with, meditate or contemplate the tribe that you have attracted into your life, the people that are around you. Helps you look at all the different people and whether they bring out the best in you or whether maybe they're not serving you for your greatest good in that type of way. And to make those decisions on maybe I should spend more energy and time with these people and a little bit less with these people as well. If you feel that you haven't totally got your tribe in and around you, then spend some time out in nature. Really ground yourself and find that stability. And remember that your vibe attracts your tribe. What you put out to the universe, you'll attract similar people because they'll really resonate with that. And Nunderite is renowned for helping to attract like-minded people that will help you and work alongside you on you fulfilling your life path as you help them at the same time. In fact, if you're doing any group activity or need people to cooperate, having Nunderite around will again help all the hearts, the green, ground, settle, and work together as one. So when you really want to get something achieved as a group, Nunderite is absolutely amazing. To enhance working with your Nunderite, bring in other gifts from the other kingdoms as well. I love to work with gifts from the plant kingdom, and I love working with essential oils. Before I mentioned that Australia has lots of amazing essential oils, many which not too many people have heard of. There are an amazing group of cypresses that are native to Australia. Blue cypress, which is this blue oil from the wood of one cypress species. Emerald cypress, white cypress, that gives us both leaf and wood oil. Any of these cypresses really help us go with the flow and have a very liberating yet calming energy about them. Working with any of these with your Nunderite, I find to be really quite potent. When it comes to the animal kingdom, near where Nunderite is found is an animal called the bearded dragon, the central bearded dragon, in fact. And, the bearded dragon really has this connection. All lizards and reptiles have this connection to the earth and the sun and the warming of the earth. They lay on those hot rocks and that awakens the fire within them. And Nunderite can really help us to do that as well. A lot of reptiles, especially for people that are indigenous to Australia and have grown up here for generations and generations, see many of the lizards and the goannas and the bearded dragons and so on is having a bit of a connection to the dream time, to the other realms. And so, as we want to connect to the spirituality of the land in which we live, working with Nunderite and the bearded dragon can be really quite potent. Cleansing this crystal, it's definitely an earth crystal. So I'd be placing it on the earth, or even if it's a tumblestone, you can bury it in the earth as long as you leave a good marker as well. Astrologically, it would definitely resonate with Venus because of Venus's connection to the earth and beauty and manifestation. Venus rules Friday, so that's going to be your best day to work with the Nunderite. Now, have you worked with Nunderite before? Have you even heard of it? Is this a brand new crystal that you now have to try and find in your collection? Please share with our mineral-loving community and leave a comment in the section below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Adam Barralet. Blessed be.